She's all trying to get a butt shot?
No.
Just trying to walk backwards.
Come
You
on.
gotta hold her back legs up too.
I'm trying. She's like curling her legs in. Try to support your spine like that.
Maybe she doesn't want her spine supported.
Or she doesn't want to do it anymore. She just
Oh,
wants down.
You just drop it.
Kitty! Kitty! No! Hey! Cat! You hurt the kitty!
What?
Fuck
I roll with an iron fist only to make them men. Not pussies.
Hey, cat. Hey.
Come here, cat. I'll pet you. I'll pet you. This cat's like horny.
Hey, cat.
Up, 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 up. Meow.
Come here.
Come here.
Don't roll against my foot.
She has like
I wasn't there when she had the cats.
oh.
How many cats do you have again?
4.
And a dog that looked like a cat a long time ago.
Yeah.
Just gonna find something to rub up against it now.
Oh shit.
I got butt.
Should pat some of that butt over here.
Yeah, I got you on here. I like stupid better.
What cookies is the best?
This cat is obsessed with me.
Ah, let's go.
Every time I come here, I always accidentally let out stupid. Always.
Stupid likes you then.
Hey, where's that monster?
Oh.
Oh, monster. I got them as the big pop noise.
No, I opened it in here.
I didn't hear it. Was I going to the bathroom at the time?
I don't think so.
Come here, kitty key. Alright, your cat's boring now.